Cover me. Cover me cute now. I got the juice now. The radiance, the modesty, it's everything. Honestly, all the things that point to a woman of quality, the true essence of my beauty. That's why they follow me. They want to get a look like this. Yeah, probably. Cover me cute now.
This year, Progressive is dedicating $1 million to small business owners, and you can win up to $50,000 in grants as a small business owner. Today, I'm going to show you how. Hello, everyone. My name is Idayat Sambo. I'm the owner and the creative designer behind Cover Me Cute. Apart from being a fashion designer for clothing and accessories, I'm also a business coach, a business mentor with over 10 years of business experience. I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a nurse, and I absolutely love every single aspect of my life. Today, we are talking about how to get money. I'm talking about free money. When I mention the word grant, what does a grant mean? A grant means money you get to invest in your business or in your personal life that nobody's going to ask you for it. You never have to pay it back. This is absolutely different from trying to get a business loan, which they also call business funding. So a grant is also a kind of a business funding, but this time around, it's free money that you do not have to pay back. And today we are talking about the Progressive Driving Small Business Forward $50,000 business grant. And I am on the website right now. If you want to go to the website, you have to have a Hello Alice account. We've talked about this in my past previous videos. If you do not know what Hello Alice is, Hello Alice is a platform that hosts other grants and business opportunities that can help you take your business to the next level. They're kind of like an intermediary between you and the grant givers. So you go ahead and use your Google account to create a Hello Alice. And it is hello, it's going to be popping up on the screen as I speak. It is helloalice.com/grant slash progressive. Progressive is the grantor for this opportunity. And the application is now open to drive small business for. Why did they create this $50,000 grant that they're going to give into 20 deserving businesses with $50,000 each? I'm talking about money that you do not have to pay back. Every business needs cash flow. Every business needs one thing or the other that you need to take your business to the next level. We always need money. We always need to pump money into our business, regardless of if you're a startup or if you are like 5 years after 5 years, or even if you're 20 years into your business. You always need cash to flow in and out of your business, especially when you know you can get this free money to invest and make millions out of it without having to pay it back. So this year, Progressive is dedicated to giving $1 million to 20 deserving businesses with 50,000 grants each. Grant recipients will also be invited to attend an exclusive 12-week virtual boot camp coaching program designed to equip business owners with tools and resources to help them achieve their growth objectives. So, like I tell you, when these grant opportunities come in, it's not just about money. It's also about the opportunities, the networking, the coaching that you can get from these grants. You can literally build relationships with your mentors that they give you in these programs that could also help you take you to the next level. Even though we understand that money is a huge part of a successful business, networking and knowing the right person to lead you to through the right path is even more important. Because even if you, regardless of if you get $1 million in business grant, if you do not know how to budget, you do not know your numbers, you do not know how to buy, you do not know the best places to import or export your items, you don't know how to price your goods, at the end of the day, you are going to suffer. So having somebody that can direct you, that has walked through the path before, to hold your hand, to guide you through the path, is very, very, very necessary for your business. And this is what Progressive is trying to do. To qualify for the grant, you must be an entrepreneur who is leading executive of your business that meets the below criteria. I tell you in all of my grant videos, never skip the first page of a business grant. Don't go straight ahead just because you see the button apply now. Don't go straight ahead and hit the application button. Take right read the instructions at least 3 times and take notes of the key points. So when you get to write it down, when you get to applying, make sure you're following those key points. Don't apply on the fly. If you really want this money, we're talking about free money that you're all you're gonna invest is your time. It's $50,000 is worth you taking 2 hours to apply. Okay, I'm just saying. So have 10 of so this is the criteria. You have to have 10 or fewer employees and less than 15 million in gross revenue. Be a for-profit, so non-profit organizations, this grant is not for you. Be a for-profit located and registered one of the 50 United States and the District of Columbia, excluding U.S. territories. Have demonstrated the need for a qualifying commercial vehicle to run your business and a clear plan for growth as a result of this vehicle purchase. So they are telling you that if you have a business, regardless of the kind of business, as long as it's for profit. So if you have a transportation business, if you have a pharmaceutical business, if you have a clothing business, if you have a healthcare business, if you have a home care business, and you know you need transportation for your clients, this is an opportunity to get you a really nice vehicle that can help you take your business to the next level. But note, they said, not be an independent contractor whose primary business is for rideshare service such as Uber, Lyft, or third party. So even if you have a transportation business, it has to be in your name, your transportation business, not for Lyft, Uber, DoorDash, Postmates, or what have you. You also have to be 18 plus years old, and it's only for people in the United States. Okay. Sometimes I do post grants for people worldwide, but this specific progressive grant that you can win $50,000 is only for people in the United States. If you haven't subscribed to my channel at this point, like girl, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button and share this video to a small business owner that you want to help grow, because sometimes it's really not about the money but about the information. Somebody could get this video by you just sharing it that could cost you less than 2 seconds of your time, and that could literally change the game of their business. Okay, so when you hit the apply now button, remember you go through Hello Alice and you're gonna go and register. You can register through your Google account. Okay, but when you hit the application button, I want you to do one important thing. Read through the mission of the progressive grant. Why are they doing this grant? What is their motive? What is their inspiration behind it? And make sure whatever story you tell to win this grant aligns with their mission, aligns with their vision. Okay, if you do not read it, you won't be able to align your answers to it. Remember to read the directions. Don't go over the words and the number they ask for, and don't do too less. Don't do bare minimum and just shove it in there and just throw it, because we're talking about a $50,000 investment. Do you know how many hours you have to work if you want to save $50,000 if you work a 9 to 5? Exactly. So taking a day, 2 days, or 3 days to complete this application is not too much. Okay. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. If you need help winning a grant, if you need help writing your grant, you need to join our Patreon. The link is below, where we write grants monthly. So you can win a grant and you can either start your business, scale your business, or sell your business. Okay. So I can't wait to see you in my next video. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Don't forget to subscribe.